Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Usermin on AlmaLinux 9. Before installing Usermin, update your system to ensure all packages are up to date. Download and execute the official repository setup script. After adding the repository, install Usermin using the following command. If SE Linux is enabled on your system, run the following commands. Next, restart the service to apply changes. Continue to run the setup script to complete the configuration. After that, verify that the service is running. Now, open your browser and navigate to the following URL. Continue to log in using your system username and password. Finally, you have successfully installed and configured Usermin on AlmaLinux 9.